Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 27, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 2, 2023, our system identified QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 3.39. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown an impressive gain of 7.08%. This means it has been delivering an average daily return of 0.42% since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $391.24, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.04% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls between -9.21% and 2.58%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 42.67% change over the next year, with a potential return between 29.62% and 44.45%. This translates to a price range of $504.44 to $562.14 after 1 year. Our latest update for QQQ brings you the headline, Red Day on Monday for QQQ. On Monday, the QQQ ETF price experienced a slight decrease of 0.0873%, moving from $389.51 to $389.17. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.739%, reaching a low of $388.28 and a high of $391.15. Over the past 10 trading days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing a positive trend with a 2.85% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although volume has increased by 18 million shares on the last day, prices have fallen. This could be seen as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $13.15 billion worth of QQQ shares were bought and sold, with a total trading volume of 34 million shares. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $393.07, while the lowest price was $259.73. Currently, the price is 0.99% or $3.90 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 4.78% or $19.54 below the all-time high, which was recorded on November 22, 2021, with a price of $408.71. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for QQQ, a popular ETF. The QQQ ETF is currently showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the lines at $388.56 and $369.45 are expected to provide support. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. We should also consider the buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals that might impact the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decrease of -0.402% so far. It is anticipated that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Interestingly, volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the ETF's performance moving forward. Today, I'll be sharing some interesting signals that you may find helpful in your trading journey. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which currently shows a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signaled a buy 18 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 15 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for a broader perspective. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 17 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. If you're interested in exploring more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. When it comes to support levels for the QQQ ETF, there are a couple of key levels to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $364.70 and $359.97. It's important to note that when an ETF is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may potentially fall to the next support level. In the case of QQQ, if $364.70 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $359.97 and $343.66. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this ETF. QQQ has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $2.87 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 0.739%. Looking at the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.85%. Before we explore the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's begin by understanding some essential fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical metric compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a subdued expectation for the company's future or an undervalued stock, thereby presenting a potential buying opportunity. Let's now discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $389.51. If you don't own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this level could be considered for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Today, we'll be discussing our recommended stop loss for this ETF, which is set at $379.25, representing a decrease of 2.55%. When it comes to daily movements, this ETF falls into the medium risk category. Its RSI 14 currently stands at 79, which significantly increases the overall risk. In addition, we've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 4 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive trend for QQQ ETF. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued, after considering the volatility in movements from the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, November 28th, we anticipate that QQQ will open up $0.363 and begin trading at $389.53. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Hello there. Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with valuable insights into the stock market. Today, we want to discuss our current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Before we wrap up, we sincerely hope you have a successful trading journey. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.